So here's me from another angle. Going back to the last video where I was on about that Warmer Homes grant. I mean, I'm getting solar. So I actually quite like working in the living room now. Potentially I could have my office back in my old office, but I actually want to do some work in there and like paint it and stuff. But I've actually got all my gym equipment in there as well. So I need to separate it out in a decent way. I know what I need to do. Hang on, I need to write something down. I need some spray oil for this embroidery machine. And I can buy like oil off from anywhere. But my last embroidery machine had some spray oil. It was really... This is highly skilled work. Why am I doing it then? I need my dibber from me. I used my Apple pen because it didn't come with a dibber. What size is that? 13. Let's do it at 16 millimeters. Dibber. She wants to be able to see it, doesn't she? Here we go. If anybody wants a creation video making, I look like Elvis Presley today, don't I? If anyone wants a creation video making, I charge $99.99. I might actually get some real leather. I mean, it goes against my principles a little bit, but leather patches will be more hard wearing. It's quite expensive though, and I'm not sure if people would pay the added expense for a leather one. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, so we'll see. So I've done the embroidery. That's the sample I did the other day. It won't look like that. That was just me messing about. Here's... So you have to go and snip off the little joiny bits in between the letters. I might have a veggie burger for my dinner. This takes a skilled eye. That looks nice. Shall I sew it on with pink? Yeah, that would look nice, wouldn't it? I'll tell you what would be a good idea, and that's to use some double-sided sticky tape. This is not just sewing, this is getting it bloody accurate. Has to be accurate down to the millimetre. And some of it's a guessing game. Comes with experience. So it's been about 18 months since I did these. That looks nice. Right, I've just got to finish it off by cutting the edge off. It's all right, isn't it? I'm sure Paddy won't mind if I demonstrate it. Fucking idiot. It's all right, I've not got the leg or anything. I'm actually quite proud of that.